Student, let's see how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. Let's first understand what is triangular prism or what is the shape of a triangular prism. For example, a tent. This is a triangular prism. Now, how to find the surface area of a triangular prism? Let's see how many surfaces triangular prism has, and then we will find the area of each surface, and at the end, to find the surface area, we will add up the area of each surface. A triangular prism is three-dimensional in shape. When we find the area of each surface, that will be a two-dimensional. Right? So let's see how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. How many surfaces are in a triangular prism? So the bottom here is in the shape of rectangle. So I named this as a rectangle 1. Right? So the bottom, the light gray one. And then you'll see this, there's a black outline one. That's the rectangle number 2. And then the far end one, the dark gray one, is rectangle number 3. And there are two triangles, this triangle number 1, and then there's a triangle number 2. Both triangle will have same area. Rectangle could have different area, but triangle should have same area. Now, to see this scenario now, we have 5 surfaces here, 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. Now what we will do, I'll give you one example later on, and we'll see how we will find the area of each surface. Before that, let's open this triangular prism. If you open it, it looks like this. There are 3 rectangles, one at the bottom, 2 at the sides, and then there are triangle on the closing end. Now, how we find the area of a rectangle and how we find the area of a triangle. So, area of rectangle, in lower classes you learned this. Length time width is the formula to find the area of a rectangle, and to find the area of a triangle, base time height divided by 2. Make sure you should know what is the base and what is the height. See here, this is a base here, and the 90-degree angle, a straight line going up, is the perpendicular. It's the height. So height should be perpendicular line on the base. Make sure you should know how to identify base and the perpendicular, the height. Now let's see one example here. Triangular prism is given, all the dimensions are given, and how we will find the surface area of this triangular prism. So let's see, we'll find the area of a rectangle first. Rectangle number 1, if you see rectangle number 1 is length is 10, width is 4. 10 times 4 is 40 centimeter square. And then the rectangle number 2, the dimensions are 10 and 5, so 10 times 5 is 50 centimeter square. Rectangle number 3 also have a same dimension, 10 and 5, so 10 times 5 is 50 centimeter square. Now let's find the area of triangle number 1. Both triangles will have same area. So this is the base here, and a line drawn perpendicular is the height. So base is 4, height is 6. So what is the formula to find the area of triangle? Base times height, which is 4 times 6, and divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 centimeters square. Same will be the area of triangle number 2. Now, we'll find the surface area. How we find surface area? Add the area of rectangle 1, 2, 3 and triangle 1 and 2, all 5 surfaces. So, surface area of triangular prism, write the values and add them. So, 40, 50, 50, 12, 12. So, you see first 3 are the rectangles and remaining 2 are the triangles. Add them, 164 centimeters square. So, don't get confused, when we find the area of a triangular prism. Whatever you learned in the lower classes, how to find the area of two-dimensional objects. Mostly it will be rectangles, or could be a square, could be a triangle. So we should know how to find the area of those two-dimensional surfaces, and then we will identify how many surfaces are there in any type of prism, and we find the area of each surface, and at the end we add to find the surface area. Thank you very much.